Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the trailer and putting on gloves and eye protection, safety first. Once the wheel is off, clean the hub so you can see the stud base. Apply penetrating oil and wait 10 to 20 minutes to let it soak. This breaks corrosion bonds. Next, use a 3/4-inch socket or an impact driver to initially break the nut free. You want controlled force so you don't round the nut. Make sure to support the hub assembly as you loosen. You remove the nut and washer and inspect whether the stud is sheared, corroded, or backed out. If threads remain, try a stud extractor or locking pliers and turn slowly to avoid snapping. Once done, if the stud is flush or broken, use a slide hammer or punch from the backside. This transfers force directly. If corrosion still holds, apply heat briefly to the hub flange to expand metal. Make sure to protect seals and bearings and cool before touching. Alternate penetrating oil and tapping to work it loose. You finish by cleaning the stud hole and chasing threads with a tap. This ensures the new stud seats and threads properly. Install the replacement stud, draw it in using the nut to pull it flush, and then torque to the manufacturer spec. Once done, remount the wheel and torque lugs in a star pattern. If the stud refuses to move despite penetrating oil, heat, and extraction tools, drill and use an extractor or replace the hub assembly. That's the reliable fallback if removal damages the flange.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.